my channel. Guess what time it is? It is Vlogmas time. It is day 4 today.
Hi, welcome to Vlogmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas. This is not your debut. You already read the first video.
Oh shit, yeah.
I knew what you were going to say. You're in the first video. You're going to be in the second video.
I'm there everywhere.
Yeah, she's there. You must have seen her already in the last few days. But today we are decorating Christmas cookies.
So excited.
So excited.
I've never done this.
I did it last year, but that was like just for masti. We also like got this set from someone Kanchi knows.
It's written taste with
tea, and like she sent us like icing bags and mini cookies.
Mini cookies and like sprinkles.
Yes.
Like, and the cookies are like
Christmas
shaped in Christmas shapes, so that's cute. And then we just ordered this for safe side. These gingerbread cookies also, because why not? They're so cute.
We actually went to Nature's Basket because we shot a video for Kanchi's YouTube channel as well, and udhar we saw the gingerbread cookies.
Yeah, so we were like, this could be an option for our
video. But her video will be out tomorrow, so go watch that.
Yes.
Go watch that. That's also Christmas
era.
themed. Yeah. It's so cute.
Do we have the same shapes?
Can we eat all these after we do
Yeah,
it?
we can.
Yeah, we have to eat it.
We have
Which one are
a
you
sock.
Oh, we don't have the same ones.
We
I have
don't
a
have-
star.
This is not a star.
That's a snowflake.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a snowflake.
Christmas tree, both of us.
Yeah, Christmas tree we have. Let's make our Christmas trees twin.
Yeah, cute.
Okay?
Have the gingerbread ones.
Yes. And we have like, oh my god, this is weird.
Bro, we can't. We have three colors.
Yeah, chocolate chips,
And this
red
has like
stars.
the colorful sprinkles. And like, do we have anything in mind, or we are just gonna go with the flow?
Just go for it. You want a Pinterest mood board?
No.
It has to be your true personality coming out from the cookie.
Sure. We need to cut these first. We need to be very smart about it.
Yeah, how do you cut this?
Like, just the tiniest.
just this front ka part?
See this much?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So cute!
Ria's going
the
for
pressure.
her. Yes.
So
cute. Cutesies.
This is going to be tough to edit, huh?
Yeah. Yay.
So cute. Wow! Adorable.
I ruined it. I ruined it.
What did you do?
It just fell, bro.
No, but it's looking cute still. It's very sweet. Not bad, no? Which one you want to do? Sock. We'll go for it, sis.
You're doing the house.
I'm doing the house. To do the house.
This is one. How should I do this now?
I feel like sock ke liye you have to do the whole thing on top, like the red and white.
white thing. No?
Yeah, that would be perfect. I'm stressed about my house. I hope someone wants to live in it.
Why will someone live in it? See?
So cute.
Socks have
do
the
a,
names,
Do a
na?
red line here.
Yeah.
Socks do have names, yes. You're so right about that.
Why are we calling it a sock? It's a stocking. I did my initials to it. And no one can eat this one now. It's for me.
What do you mean I'm eating it?
Oh, bhai, you're making the door and all.
Who will fit in that door?
And look at this.
Oh, Diljit! Cutie. What do I do here? Oh, windows.
Itna sara you used.
No, barely, I swear. He's farting, that's what I mean. Listen, it's cute, Kanchi.
Mine is also cute.
Oh, it's cute. Yours is actually very cute. Is it focused?
Yeah, wow.
So cute.
This one's gonna be very yummy.
Because it's lots of icing, na? Wait, I'll take
We
it.
are not using the sprinkles.
Now we'll use it for the tree. Keep it. She's eating on it, se.
It's coming on my hands. Now are we making this the same? Like,
Yum.
what else can I do to the tree?
Fill it with green.
Pura?
I think you should. No one else can tell you how your tree should be. She's looking at you're looking at this tree for inspiration.
Like, what all does it have? The sprinkles won't stick on it unless there's something.
There's icing. You'll have to
Yeah.
put icing. I thought you were singing a Christmas carol.
It is, I think, a Christmas carol. What was I saying?
It's a nursery rhyme. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
What?
Auntie. Christmas tree.
It has to be busy, na?
And my Diljit. Yeah, it has to look. Look at the star, it's so cute.
Ooh. Snowflake. This has to be white or what?
Can't you do? I have to match with your tree.
No! You go tree. Do. See how difficult it is.
It's tough,
to do
yeah.
a tree. Just,
This green icing is giving stress. That's the problem.
Why am I singing that?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb.
So weird who sings that.
You.
Yeah, this is too cute. This is my favorite one, I think. No, my house is my favorite one.
This tree is not treeing the way.
See, I told you.
Legit. Oh. Whoa, that was a nice pop, huh?
Y'all will know tomorrow why I'm having this.
Yeah, and where she got it from.
Where does the table end here, na?
That was
Nice.
such a good pop.
Both of these were good.
Yeah, too good. Cheers.
Cheers. Yummy. Yummy.
Too good. Good job. It's so good.
Gingerbreads would be fun to do.
Yeah, because there's more like area. You want kanji?
What did you say?
What
You said kenchi.
Yeah. Oh.
Catchy.
Bro, she tells me it's for everything. You know, if I say panch, she's like, it's not panch, it's panch.
Haan, y'all tell in the comments. Is it panch or panch?
Me panch bar bola.
Shut up. Kenchi, is it my name?
Catchy. I don't think that'll taste good though. Because I'm not a fan of gingerbread
Yeah,
in
same.
general.
What else will you do to him? Cute, na? He looks...
very sweet.
We have to name him.
Almost
No.
a little bit like a ghost.
Shut up.
Bro, this is basically the Snapchat ka guy.
He is grey.
I'm still doing my snowflake, by the way. He's gay? How can you decide for him?
Yeah.
Stop.
Cute.
Right?
Yes. It's good. Why are you laughing at it? It's so cute.
I want this to be just white. I don't want to do anything else to it.
See his hair.
Poor thing, he needs a hair transplant.
No, he's cute. He's very cute. I love him.
Guys, see my snowflake. Simple but effective.
Guys, you look at this. This is the masterpiece. Look at it, Riya, on camera.
So cute!
I love him.
Give him a name now.
What does he look like?
What does he look like? Give him a name down below in the comments. I don't like gingerbread. Do you like gingerbread? I don't
No,
know.
mid.
I'm looking at yours for inspiration.
No.
That's his tongue.
Eee. Do we have to give them a face or can I just not?
Don't give a face if you don't want. But then that's rude because that's your guy. Why is it not? Shit, my gingerbread is too scary. Like, it's not giving anything. Should I give her bangs?
Yeah. Maybe she's Taylor. She has bangs.
Imagine a Swiftie seeing this and then seeing my gingerbread and think that's not Taylor. So, Kanch, how was your year 2024? How are you feeling?
Why are you asking such a serious question?
Just because like a year-end vlog,
Yeah.
na?
Like it was great, but it was also like
I don't think my year was good.
that's what I'm saying. It was good. Many
Huh.
good things happened, but it was also like very average.
Yeah.
Like not
Like it wasn't like a
wow.
memorable year. A lot of nice things happened.
Very,
Like our
very
trip
nice
was
things
fun.
happened. Yeah, yeah.
You went for Taylor Swift concert.
We both got a billboard.
We both got billboards. Yes.
Yeah, so that was fun, but it was also
Yeah. But for some reason also I feel like it was just
every year can't
it was
be
fine.
banging.
Yeah. Like I saw the video you posted about, if you've seen her Instagram, the reel she posted
The
about
vision
like
board.
vision board and thing coming to life.
Yeah.
I don't know, mine didn't come to life and mine doesn't come to life every
That-
year. Your caption.
I said that was just half of the things that came
Yeah.
to life. Even if just maybe 1-2 things also came true.
It's fine,
It's-
yeah.
it's an
still
achievement,
something.
yes.
Yeah. Because I feel like everyone paints their life to be so perfect
Yes.
on Instagram.
But it's not.
It's not at all. Like I had a pretty mid year, honestly. There's nothing wrong with that.
It's okay.
It happens.
I have made this gingerbread. So cute. It's too random.
It's too cute, but I love it.
Hey. It's cute only, Riya.
It's not bad.
Only the hair. Hair is weird.
I made the hair into a choti almost.
Now name her.
What's that teacher's name in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
Arey.
Miss Briganda?
Miss Briganza.
Miss Briganza. I think she's Miss Briganza. One more, na? I have to
Yeah,
know.
last one. What? I think I'm getting good at it. So don't even tell me.
The Tylenol is too good.
He's so cute. Honestly.
He's really cute, yeah.
He has a tie also.
I think he's the cutest
And he has a
gingerbread.
beanie.
Oh, that's a baby.
Yes.
How cute.
He's a Jack. He gives Jack.
He's Jack, yeah.
Yeah.
So who's the other guy you took his
We
name?
don't have a name for him.
What color should we do? No one has green eyes yet. No one has a green face.
Yeah. Why do you give them such small eyes? That makes them look scary.
I'll give them eyebrows.
Yeah, none of them have eyebrows. Wait, why does he look so stressed?
He's the grandfather gingerbread.
Why is his smile like that?
It just happened, Tera.
The smile is giving Nike.
Swoosh. What do I do?
Give him some proper outfit.
Okay.
What are you making?
A bow.
Oh, cute!
The face and the bow are not matching. But it's fine.
He's a Pookie grandfather.
He's a Pookie grandfather. That's so right. Oh, put his ball here.
Cute!
Yes! Ah. See, Kanchu is balding.
Yeah!
Grandfather, no?
I love them. Why do they look so cute?
They are really, really sweet.
What is that?
Shots.
Yeah,
Chaddi.
this is too bad.
He's an old man. He needs to wear na kacha whatever.
Do it full white. The
What?
shorts.
Okay,
So
fine.
that it looks like it's shorts.
Okay. No, it's not looking over.
You don't know.
This is right. This is Grandpa. What's a grandpa name? Christopher. Guys, look at his shorts.
He has a bow. And
Then
short.
he has a bow and such, and he's balding.
That's very nice.
Look at our finished gingerbread men.
Too
All so
cute.
happy, all bonding
One
together.
woman.
This is Miss Briganza.
Miss Briganza.
This is Grandpa Christopher.
Jack.
Jack.
No, he
This
is
is Jack.
We don't
This
have a
is-
name for him.
So think now something. We have to give him a name.
George.
George. Okay. Cool. As you say, George. But so cute, bro. They
Yeah,
look adorable.
They look too cute.
Yeah. And these are mini Christmas cookies.
These are like too cute.
This is my house. This is Kanchi's house.
Yes.
Then this is my tree. This is Kanchi's tree. Kanchi's snowflake, my snowflake.
My
Kanchi's
heart
heart,
and
my star. And then my moon and Kanchi's sock.
Stocking.
Stocking. Lots of attention to detail. Okay, let's eat.
Are we actually gonna?
Which one are you eating, Kanchi? You want to eat the house, na?
No.
I want to eat the snowflake.
Same. Let's both.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers. Mmm.
Yum.
It's too good, huh?
Mm.
It's actually yummy.
We're acting like we baked it.
We did not.
It's so good.
Eat the ugly one. Bye bye.
They never belonged here anyway. Okay, we are done decorating cookies and they turned out really cute.
eating also too.
We ate also, yeah. I'm not gonna eat the gingerbread man. I don't know who's gonna eat those. But
We snack.
you want to try one? We'll try off camera. But yeah, it was really fun. I
It was
enjoyed.
too good.
It
We
was
should
too-
do this every year.
We should just do this for values.
Yeah.
Even if we don't, no, we'll vlog it. We'll record it. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.